Before we do anything with captions in Premiere, we need to open our Word document and really look at those captions which we wrote here. So saying I grew up in Honduras is going to be important to include the word Honduras because otherwise that picture isn't going to really tell anybody that. So look through these very carefully. And I think this is one of those times, since they are captions, that we don't have to have a full sentence with a period at the end. So I'm going to go through these and adjust them a little bit. I'm going to do that first. I'm going to make a copy. So save as, and then it's going to go in the same place, but put the date that you're starting your revisions. So I'm doing this on the 9th of October. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm not changing my original. So I grew up in Honduras is good. I'm going to take off that period at the end. My son was born on Guam. Colorado is outdoor country. I might come up with something a little better. Maybe Colorado is beautiful. Beautiful. Now they are, so this would be my octopus picture. And you can just verify up here, okay, that's the octopus. You could even look at it. And I think I'm just going to say supremely camouflaged predators. That's telling people why I think they're amazing because of the camouflage, although that's not what the three have in common. They can stop in midair. Yeah, I think I'll keep that exclamation point. This might be a little bit long, but that is one of the things I love about them. I prefer to grill my own steaks. It's obviously a steak, so I'm just going to put grill my own. Or I believe I've even talked about this. Salt and pepper is all you need. Should pepper be capitalized? Well, probably not. Keeping that space there can be helpful. Not just any, it's obviously an apple. I'll just say variety will do. We are lucky to have Bluebell in Texas. I'll see if I can fit that whole thing on there. So I've just revised these a little bit so they fit more as captions. Checking spelling on everything. If it's grammar, yes, there's going to be some grammar suggestions here. But let's go and take a look at what we can do with these captions in Premiere.